好。
大家好，我呢度係香港嘅新春拜年團啊！我向海外嘅親友祝一個拜年。Alan 你好啊，蒙主祝福，福杯滿日。
And Eric and Carrie, this is our first time to celebrate Chinese New Year with you guys, and we would like to sing some song for you guys, and we wish we can see you very soon, and we have a great gathering and have happy family time.
我都要喺向澳洲嘅阿強女生同埋我兩個最可愛嘅侄女樂兒同埋珊珊，仲有天明同埋 Steven， 希望你哋喺澳洲都能夠好開心咁樣生活，身體健康，學業進步，工作愉快，最重要嘅就係新年蒙福。
祝我高舉你的名。Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you came in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us. You come from heaven to show the way from the earth to the cross. I dare to pay from the cross to the grave, from the grave to the sky. Lord, I lift your name on high.
Yes！ 喂，新年
大
1、2、3，願新年蒙福。你又唔記得 yes 乜嘢？